Hey, today I want to show you something special. This isn't just bread, it's a texture you can only achieve if you stop fighting the dough. Most bakers fail because they're afraid of the mess. Today I'm showing you my personal technique for Swedish tekkakor, pillowy buns that melt in your mouth. If you stay with me, I'll show you why a sticky disaster is a secret to a perfect cloud. We start with 500 milliliters of milk. Warm it gently to 37 Celsius degrees. If it's too hot, you kill the fluff. Too cold and it stays asleep. Crumble in 50 grams of fresh yeast and let it dissolve. This is the foundation. Add the honey for a subtle lift, a pinch of salt and 720 grams of wheat flour. Then our richness, 100 grams of room temperature butter. Now look at this. It's shaggy and clinging to everything. Here is where most people make a mistake. Your hands are covered in dough and you'll be tempted to reach for the flour jar. Don't do it. If you add more flour, your bread will be heavy and dry. Trust the process. We are going to knead it for 10 minutes. Use a part of your butter now and then the rest later. Watch how the rhythm of your hands transforms this mess. We are 10 minutes in. See that? The stickiness hasn't disappeared because we added flour. It disappeared because the dough is finally ready. It's now silky and smooth. We let it rest for 30 minutes. And there it is. It's fluffy and not sticky at all. A very airy dough. Just perfect. I've split the dough into equal parts and baked them separately. Look at this dough, so perfect and so easy to work with. Don't worry about perfect circles. Rustic shapes look amazing. Let them rise for another 30 minutes. We are shaping the second part now. Prick them with a fork and let them Bake them at 6 to 8 minutes at 225 degrees. They look beautiful, but here is my final secret. Brush them with water immediately. It feels strange to wet fresh bread, but it locks the moisture inside. This is why they stay soft for days. Perfect cloudy buns. Salted butter and a slice of cheese. That's the reward for trusting the technique. Thank you for spending these 12 minutes with me. If you found this helpful, I'd love you to subscribe and join me for the next recipe. Happy baking!